Namaste. Good afternoon. Myself Anita Fageria from Bikaner. Today I will help you to make Gulkand, that is rose jam. These are fresh petals of rose. I have separated the petals from this and have put them in water. Then if there is any dust or any insect or something, that will settle down. Then I will take them out and dry them on the paper napkin. I am not going to dry them fully, only that the moisture is not there in it. Now I have taken 250 grams of fresh rose petals, cleaned, and have taken half a kg of sugar, that is 500 grams. The ratio is 1:2. Now I will show you what I am going to do in my next step. First, I will put some sugar in this bowl. Like this. Then put some rose petals in it. Then again some sugar. And again some rose petals. Again some sugar. Again some rose petals. I will go on doing like this until I have done it fully. Once again I will say that 250 grams of fresh rose petals and 500 grams of sugar. That ratio is 1:2. Now I am going to crush them properly with the sugar. It will take a little time. You know, Gulkand, a sweet preserve of rose petals, is an Ayurvedic medicine. Gulkand is prepared from fresh rose petals and sugar. All healing properties of Gulkand are from the rose petals. Rose petals have some therapeutic properties like antibacterial, antioxidant, and many more. It helps to reduce constipation, heartburns, acid reflux, intestinal gas, peptic ulcer, mouth ulcer, bleeding disorders like nose bleeding. excessive sweating, hot flashes in menopause, headache with burning pain. See how I am crushing. Gulkand in cancer also. When in cancer, they give us therapy, chemotherapy, and like that therapy. The doctors, they advise to take some Gulkand, so there might be no side effects of therapy to the patients. And in bleeding piles also, you can take 2 teaspoons of this Gulkand after 2 meals and 2 hours. After 2 hours, that is after lunch, having lunch after 2 hours, you can take 2 teaspoons of Gulkand. If you are having bleeding piles, with water or with a glass of milk. And after some days, you will feel good improvement. And it's good for eyes also. See how I have crushed it. The next step I will show you after I have crushed it fully. This is it. After crushing it, put this mixture in a glass, bowl or a jar and keep it in the sun, covering it. And you have to also put this, glass jar or glass tumbler in such a way that the ants might not enter into it. By placing a big bowl down with water in it, then placing this bowl inside that water so that the ants might not enter into it. And you have to stir it well. And the sugar which you are seeing in this will melt into a syrup. And after 4 or 5 days, when the sugar is fully melted, your Gulkand is ready to eat. See, like this. You can see at the bottom. How the syrup is being made in the sun when the sugar melts. When the sugar is fully melted, that means your Gulkand is ready to consume. See, this is the Gulkand which I have made. This is how it will look. Then you can pack like this in a zipper and lock it. Thanks. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.